All right, today's kind of a big day. We go from this to this. This came in the mail today. Pretty cool, pretty exciting. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox it. You know, it's really something because you see all the reviews, you see all the stuff online, you watch everything, but now, like, this is mine. This is my own version. This is the one I got from Samsung. You play with them in the store, but this is actually mine, directly from Samsung too. So this is gonna be a new experience. This is gonna be a multi-part unboxing, I think, because I got the pre-order deal. I traded in my device that I'm recording on right now for this. Let's take a look here. I'm not going to show you that, but that is the shipping label for my S22 Ultra. It's a little sad to see an old device go, but the pre-order deal was just a little bit too good not to have. I got $650 for my device. I got $150 Samsung credit. I had the opportunity to cancel my plan, like I originally said I was, and go with a new plan. I'm now on US Mobile on their free trial period, and I am major impressed, just by the way. Their customer service, on point, like any big carrier. Verizon or T-Mobile network, when you sign up, you make that choice. Just a lot of positives to that. This is quite the deal here. Jesus. So yeah, basically, like, if I didn't upgrade this year, I honestly would be doing myself a disservice, because the next time I would want to, the device I have now would cost much less money, or trade in for much less money. I couldn't sell this on the market for the price that Samsung gave you. I got $150 Samsung credit. I canceled my old plan. I pay half the price I used to with the cell phone bill now. It just, why wouldn't I? So here we go. Wow. Lots of stuff here. Some anti-glare screen protector. Probably won't use this because the screen is already supposedly good enough, but cool. Opted in, it was like, I don't know, $10 in Samsung credit, so put that off to the side. I got the white adapter. Now, we just recently did an unboxing of the black one, so this is a nice extra one to have. The only thing that didn't come is the big wireless charger. I got the 10,000 milliamp 25 watt fast mobile pack. That's coming FedEx apparently, but I'm not concerned about that. These were, I think, less than $100 of the Samsung $150 credit. So free headphones I get to try out. You know, whether they're good or bad, I don't know, but it was either this or get one of the charging pads. And I kind of wish I did the duo, but at the same time, I got a new pair of earbuds to try, so that's cool. This, now they're out of stock in black when I ordered the device, but that's okay, because I had a Galaxy Note 9, which I absolutely loved, and I had the pink one, and I had the pink S-View cover. I was absolutely enamored with it, loved it. So, and here it is. Very nice packaging, very premium looking, black. Don't want to show you that, but there it is. So let's get this all cleaned off and get to the unboxing. Got all that for the pre-order deal. Absolutely fantastic. So power adapter, pretty standard power adapter thing. I guess we can open it. It Yeah, see, I'm not sure I need to. We're gonna wait on that. Galaxy Buds FE. Nice. I'm gonna wait on that. This, like I said, I probably won't use. Veiw. This lighting is not great. This is the purple one. Let's see what it looks like in real life. Cool. Instruction manual. Oh wow. It's light. Wow, look at that. Alcantara. The buttons seem more premium on this one than the S22 Ultra. They're actually like a stick-out button. Yeah. Feels big. Nice. Maybe I'll bring that piece of paper over there for more contrast. Alright, just so you guys can see it a little bit better. Nice. The moment of truth here. I gotta figure out how to do this. Like that. Oh, that went very poorly. There we go. Oh, wow. Okay. That is something else. Oh, it's nice and cold. Gotta love it. Well, here it is. Very premium. Well, there she be. The S24 Ultra. Let's put this case on it and see what it looks like. There it is. Oh, I like that silver popping out. That's very premium looking. Nice.